Well, the authentication, here you will see how you can register, sign up for account, then you can log in. Let's sign up. Sign up means you create account. You don't have an account, you need an access. So this is the process any user will follow to get a unique identification assigned to him. Okay, we'll be registering an arbitrary user, Mary Ndoboako. Ndoboako. I hope you can get that. Ndoboako. You just put your now username. Most interestingly, you can sign in either with your username or your email address. So I'm gonna choose a lowercase, then also Mary at Gmail. Don't forget your password, very important. So what I mean is either you use this to log in, as you can see later, or use the username to log in. So password is always hidden. Don't reveal your password under no circumstances. Okay. All right, sign up. So after you sign up, I think you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Yeah, definitely. No, we're not saving it for now. Okay, so I'll later show you how you can log in with either your email or your username. So let me quickly point this. On the dashboard, there's always a prompt when you log in as a first timer. Admins should pay attention to this. This prompt here will tell you incomplete settings. Like now, the user needs to set up the profile, session context LMT. This one is for admin and socials. Yeah, this is for admin. Then socials also is for the user. So we'll look at this later when we'll be considering settings. But let me quickly sign out and show you what I mean. So we're going to look at the login. You can either log in with the username, which I prefer, depending on what you want. Put password. You can put remember me. Remember me will make sure when you return to the browser, you are granted access without asking for the login again. So this is what I mean. Let's sign out again. Let's use the email address. Email address, say at gmail.com. Gmail.com. Password. Remember me. I think I will. We'll just log in now. Yeah, so it works both ways. So if you go to the main website, you have you see what happened there. So in the settings, we'll know how to add an avatar here. An avatar here where you can upload avatar here. So in the next session, we'll be looking at widgets, that dashboard widget. This one will basically concern the admin majorly. So look at what the admin can touch, what the admin can set, what the user can set. See right there, dashboard widget. Thank you.